Okay, so I hear someone like walking every once in a while. It's making me extremely nervous. Oh shit! Yeah, this. Is he trying to get me? Oh, is that him? Okay, well he's gone now. Oh shit. And headshot. And oh shit, I got. Well, 1 sec, buddy. Gotta reload. Oh, there you go. Oh, I think he bled to death from me. Where's this other guy though? Wait a second. Oh. There's a guy on this tree right now. Holy shit, I'm not the only one up here. Oh god. Oh my god, no. There's someone like right under me. Can I see? Oh shit! Die! Die! It's not working. I don't like this. Oh, yep, he's dead. He's dead. What am I gonna do now? Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Okay, that's where I'm. Oh, I just like flew off the tree. Holy shit, who got me? Jeez, he's shooting me. He's shooting me. Let's take this time to recuperate. Let's just. God damn it. Let's take this time to recuperate. Okay, there. And use. Just kind of run away. Guy probably already knows where I am. Or knows that someone's coming. And it's just gonna take forever to get to him. So he probably has plenty of time to prepare. God damn it. Oh shit. Oh my god, okay there. Don't sneak up on me. There we go. You dead? You're about to. Oh, no, I missed. That did the trick? Yeah. I think there's someone else though. You're shooting at someone. Oh, no. Oh, they stopped. Oh, no. I hope that does something. I hope that doesn't come back to bite me. Well, okay guys, they're coming back. I think I bothered them. It's like hitting a bee's nest. They all just flip out and get you. Oh shit. Oh, they're spawning cars. Did I kill him? Blow up. Blow up. There we go. Get out of there. I should probably watch the entrance. Just in case they're trying to make a move. Okay, they're not trying to make a move. Let's. Holy crap! I didn't really think this far ahead. I thought I was just gonna die. Oh man. Oh, I wish it would show where they were. Oh shit, there's a guy right there. Oh, they're one-shotted. Cool. You're dead. I think. Now you're dead? Yeah, I killed him. In the nighttime. Okay, I should probably turn night vision off. Relatively soon. Okay, I am gonna die if someone comes up behind me. But there's someone sniping them. And I think I'm just gonna YOLO it. There we go. I think I'm gonna run back if I can. Try to heal. Oh no! What? Where was he though? I don't see anyone. as soon as I jumped out. I just got sniped. I'm gonna try one more time. But again, I feel like he was just looking at me that whole time. So like I had no chance either way. Oh my gosh, he has a whole place on lock. Oh, I thought I had medikits, but I guess I don't. I already hear shooting. I already see a guy right there who doesn't see me yet. Gotta hide. And he's right down there. I have the advantage. I no longer have the advantage. Shit. Oh, there we go. I have the advantage. Cool. Pretty sure that I think there's someone else. Oh no. Wait. 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 Wait.
Do you want to team?
What the what? You fucking 11-year-old little prick. You're gonna grow up to be a serial killer.